For latest updates, please subscribe the Global Mirror YouTube channel.
ऑटो लिखा सर।
Alec Baldwin, who accidentally killed his cinematographer on the set of his film Rust, should have never pointed a gun at another human, even if he believed it was safe, Hollywood safety experts told the Post. And the actor is now likely to face a gauntlet of legal challenges, including possible criminal charges, as both the man who pulled the trigger and as the executive producer responsible for the set safety. Legal experts said, loaded or unloaded, a weapon never gets pointed at another human being. Hollywood firearms consultant Brian Carpenter of Dark 30 Film Services told to the Post. Baldwin fired a prop gun that killed Helena Hutchins and injured the film's director Joel Souza on the Rust set in Santa Fe, NM on Thursday. For safety, all live firearms used in TV and film productions are typically aimed at a dummy point, not at equipment, cast or crew, Carpenter noted. Guns, he said, are never aimed at a person. You never let the muzzle of a weapon cover something you didn't intended to destroy, said Carpenter, whose New Orleans-based firm has worked on the sets of scores of TV and film productions. All guns are always loaded, even if they are not. Treat them as if they are. Former filmmaker and former US national shooting team member Peter Lee put the blame on Baldwin. The buck stops with Alec Baldwin on every level, he told the Post. It looks very bad for him. At least the captain of the Titanic had the good sense to go down with the ship. Baldwin was told it was safe to use the prop gun minutes before he fired the round that fatally struck Hutchins, a warrant application from the Santa Fe County Sheriff's Office says. At the time, Hutchins was behind a camera operator's monitor looking over the operator's shoulders. A source close to the crew told the Los Angeles Times, and Souza was behind them. Assistant director Dave Halls didn't know the firearm had a live round in it, announcing it was a cold gun when he gave it to Baldwin, the court papers say. Still, Baldwin may face serious legal trouble, possibly including negligent manslaughter. Joseph Costa, an attorney with Costa Law in Los Angeles, told the Post. As an executive producer, you are in a position of control and you can get prosecuted criminally, he said. It's the equivalent of drinking and driving, meaning someone may not have intended to cause great harm, but they do. New Mexico criminal attorney Erlinda Johnson, a former state and federal prosecutor, said the actor faces possibly criminal liability for involuntary manslaughter.
ऑटो लिखा सर।
For latest updates, please subscribe the Global Mirror YouTube channel.